Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I'll be teaching you how you can get free coins on Binance. Now there are different ways you can get free coins on Binance, and all of those ways I'll be showing you guys in this video. There are also different ways you can also make money on Binance. I'll also show you those ways in this video, guys. So make sure you pay attention to this video and you'll be learning how you can get free coins on Binance. But before I continue, if you're interested in this content, make sure you subscribe to my YouTube channel. Please guys, like this video. Now straight to Binance. Now you're going to log into your Binance account. So I'm going to log into my account right now. So this is my dashboard on Binance. Now the first thing you need to do is to make sure that you have BNB in your wallet. So if you don't have BNB before this video, make sure you try and buy BNB. Now once you buy BNB, you go to finance here. If you're using your laptop, you go to finance. You can see it up here, finance. You're going to see a drop down. You're going to see different options. But if you're using a phone, make sure you go to where you have earn crypto while you sleep. That's where it is, earn crypto while you sleep. Just tap on it. But if you're using a laptop, you come here and click on finance. So now once you click on finance, you click on Binance Earn. Yeah, it's the same process on the phone and on the laptop. So now once you come here, you can see we have three different options. We have the flexible savings, we have launch pool, and we have BNB vault. There are also different options that if you go down, you see fixed times, fixed savings, staking, activities, ETH 2.0 staking. Here you have high risk products. You have DeFi staking, dual investment, and liquid swap. I'm going to tell you all of these things, so make sure you pay attention to these things. They are all different, and I'll be showing you everything, guys. So firstly, we're going to start with this flexible savings. It's flexible to transfer and save to earn. Now this is what you have here. If you click on launch pool too, you have different options here. If you click on BNB vault, you have different ones there. So I'm going to start with flexible savings. Now as you can see, flexible savings means you want to save a particular cryptocurrency and then you are going to be getting interest per year. Now for example, if you stake BTC here, it means you're going to be getting 1.20 estimated APY. That APY means annual percentage yield, just like your interest per annum. Yeah, if you stake if you save BUSD, you're going to get 6% estimated annual percentage yield. And here if you stake USDT, you're going to get 6%, and if you stake 1 inch, you're going to get 3.30%. Now for this tutorial, let's take a look at BUSD. Now we're going to click on transfer. For example, let's say we want to save a part of our BUSD. We're going to click on transfer, and then it's going to show us the next thing we have to do. Now here you're going to enter the amount of BUSD you want to save. Now here too, you must have BUSD. Like you must have that that coin you want to save. If it's BTC, if it is BUSD or USDT, anyone. So for example, let's say we want to save BUSD. Let's say for example we want to save let's say for example save 1000 BUSD. Now I don't have any BUSD in my wallet right now, but for this training, for example, I want to save 1000 BUSD. Now as you can see, if you come here, value date 2021 3/15, flexible interest per 1000. This is what you're going to get per 1000 BUSD stake. So for every 1000 BUSD stake, you're going to get 0.16439 BUSD, and your maximum subscription is 500 million BUSD. That's the maximum BUSD you can save. Now look at this place, saying 7-day APY is 6%. So that means if you save for like let's say at least 7 days, you're going to get your 6% annual percentage yield, and that is how you can get free BUSD. You can also do the same for BTC and other coins that you can see. You can do this for BTC, BUSD, USDT, 1 inch, and ADA. Now if you also come down under savings, which is saving, we have different type of savings. We have flexible and locked savings. Now under the savings, this one, now the difference here is that for flexible savings, you can stop the savings anytime. And stop the savings, you can decide to stop saving your BTC anytime and get your BTC back. But here when you choose locked savings, it means that you're going to select a particular number of days you want to save for. So yeah, if you want to save for 7 days, you cannot collect your Bitcoin or your USDT or BUSD until after 7 days. If you click on 14 days, the same thing. If you click on 90 days, the same thing. Now for example, let's click on 90 days. You can see the percentage yield is 7, but if you click on 7 days, the percentage yield is 6.3. so the higher the number of days, the higher the percentage yield you're going to be getting. So they're going to be giving you free Bitcoin for the number of days you are going to be saving your cryptocurrencies. Now those are the two ways you can get free bitcoins through savings. Now the next one is launch pool. As you can see, we have flexible savings, launch pool, and BNB vault. The one I just finished talking about is the savings, flexible and logged savings. Now the next one is launch pool. Deposit coins and earn cryptos. Now let me tell you something. Launch pool is if Binance want to list a new coin on for trading, they're also going to put it on launch pool where people can get it for free, and once it's available for trading, then you can now sell it and make your money. Now for example here, the next coin that will be listed very soon is my neighbor Alice. The name of the coin is called Alice. Now you can get this Alice for free on Binance. Now this is all you have to do. You can see here you have deposit CHR to get Alice, or you did deposit BUSD to get Alice. Just look at there, we have view more. Let's click on view more and see other coins that we can stake to get Alice. Now if you come down here, you can see, so you can stake CHR to get Alice, you can stake BUSD, and you can stake BNB. So for example, let's take for example, we want to stake BUSD to get Alice. So you click on stake now, and then once you click on stake now, you're going to see stake. Now for example, let's say we want to stake. The reason why this stake is supposed to be on yellow is supposed to be yellow, but I don't have any BUSD. Now if for example, if you want to stake, let's say for example you have 1 BUSD here, all you have to do is just click on stake, and then you enter the number of BUSD you want to stake. Now you can stake for as long as you want. You can stake for 10 days, 20 days, 30 days. It does not have like a specific number of days you must stake for. And for every day you stake, you're going to be getting free Alice, free of this coin. You're going to be getting Alice for free, because and the importance of getting this coin for free is that nobody has it. You will be among the first set of people that will get it before it's available for the public, for everybody to trade it on Binance. So that's the one way you can get, that's another way you can get coins for free through launch pool. Now the third one, which is very, very interesting, that I really love a lot, is BNB vault. Now you can see multi benefits from BNB at the click of a button. As you know, BNB is Binance coin, so you can get free rewards, you can get multi benefit by staking BNB. Now let's take for example, here you have current reward as of now is that if you stake your BNB, you can get Alice. I told you Alice is that coin they will release very soon. So any coin you see on launch pool here, it means that they will release it very soon, and you should make sure you are getting it for free, guys. Make sure you are getting it for free. So once you come to BNB here, let's say for example you want to get Alice for free, just click on stake. Now once you click on stake, you're going to see it's just like the same thing as launch pool too. Now so here, as you can see, I have 1 BNB staked. I've staked 1 BNB already, and these are my rewards. They've given me 0.0003682 BNB, and they've also given me 0.033 Alice. I have these coins for free. Now this is what you want to do. If you want to stake BNB and get Alice or other cryptocurrencies for free, all you have to do is just make sure you have BNB in your sports wallet, and then you will come here and stake. Now once you click on stake, you're going to enter the number of BNB you want to stake. You can stake any amount of BNB you like. You can stake 1, 2, 3, any amount of BNB you can afford or that you want to stake. Now once you stake, it's going to be here. The money, the BNB is going to leave your spot wallet and come here. Now for every day you stake, you're going to be getting free rewards on earning. You're going to be getting BNB, you're going to be getting Alice, and different rewards on Binance. And if you want to unstake, and you want to get your BNB back to your spot wallet, all you have to do is just click on unstake here, and it will be taken directly to your spot wallet back. And for your rewards, how you are going to get your free coins, someone actually asked me when I said it to someone. If you want to be getting your free rewards, you can see it's written here, all rewards will be distributed to spot wallet. So when I unstake, all my rewards will be transferred to my spot wallet. So I can decide to try, for example, this Alice and this BNB, I can decide to change it back to BTC and sell it to Naira, or if you just want to leave it on your Binance wallet and allow it to add to your portfolio. So those are the ways you can get free coins on Binance. First is flexible savings, where you can save and get interest, or let me say annual percentage yield. The second one is launch pool, where you can get free coins, maybe a particular coin that they are going to list very soon. You can get it for free by staking 1 coin and get that coin. This third one is BNB vault, where you can stake BNB, and then you are going to be getting multi benefit from BNB at the click of a button. So these are the 3 ways you can get cryptocurrencies for free on Binance. I hope you've learned one thing or the other from this video, and if you enjoyed the video, make sure you like this video. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. I'll see you guys in another video. I'll be talking more on money and personal finance. Thank you for watching this video. Bye.